Good afternoon, students. Now, in last part of this equation of a plane, it is part 4. In fourth part, that is last part of this plane, I am going to start equation of plane 3D, angle between a straight line and a plane. Angle between a straight line. This is a straight line and a plane. You have to find angle between a straight line and a plane. When it is in vector form. So here equation of a straight line is r equals to a plus lambda b, where a is a point and b is another parallel to another straight line, another direction ratio b, direction vector, and equation of a plane r dot n cap equals to d. It is the equation of a plane. That in vector form, angle between a straight line and a plane is sine theta equals to b dot n by mod b mod a. And in vector form, suppose there is equation of a straight line x minus x1 by x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1 equals to z minus z1 by c1. Or a, you can write a, b, c. And equation of a plane is ax plus by a1 b1 c1 a2x b2y c2z plus d equals to 0. This is equation of a straight line Cartesian form. This is equation of a plane in Cartesian form. This angle between the straight line cos theta equals to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root over of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square root over of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. That is the two formula. One is for vector form and one is for Cartesian form. Here is the equation of, it is the equation of straight line. This is equation of plane. Both are in Cartesian form. Then cos theta equals to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 c1 c2 over root over of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root over of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, now let us do sums relating these two formula, vector equation of a straight line and a plane. Find the angle between the lines. Sum number 1. Find the angle between the line r dot I plus 2j minus k plus lambda I minus j plus k. R equals to this is straight line, vector of straight line, and plane r dot 2i minus j plus k equals to 4. Here the angle between a straight line is this, r equals to, this is a plus lambda b, and r dot n equals to d. Here we know, just now we told you, here sine theta equals to b dot n over mod b into mod n. That is the angle between straight line and planar formula all over mod. Here b, here a equals to I plus 2j minus k, and in b, here b equals to I minus j plus k, and n equals to 2i minus j plus k. Put it here, a dot b, that is I minus j plus k dot 2i minus j plus k by mod b, b dot mod b 1 plus 1 plus 1 mod n 4 plus 1 plus 1. That is dot product 2 minus 1 plus 1 by root over of 3 into root over of 6. 2 minus plus 1 minus plus, that is 4 by root 18. Root 18 means 3 root 2, that is 4 root 2 by 6, that is 2 root 2 by 3. Then sin theta is then theta equals to sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. That is the angle between a straight line and this plane. Now let us do another sum. It is in vector form. Just now I told you, find the equation of the angle, find the angle between the line, find the angle between the plane. Here it was the line, we find the angle between two planes. It is x, angle between two planes, that is x plus y plus 2z equals to 9 and 2x minus y plus z equals to 6. It is the Cartesian equation of two planes. Suppose this is an one plane and this is an another plane. You have to find the angle between two planes. We have to find angle between two planes. Then here cos theta equals to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root over of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square root over of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Here a1 x b1y plus c1z equal to d1 a2x plus b2. Here a1 is 1. Here a1 is 1, b1 equals to 1 and c1 equals to 2, a2 is 2, b2 is minus 1 and c2 is 1. The a1 a2, that is 2 minus 1 plus 2 by a1 square b1 square plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 into 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 by root 6 into root 6, that is 3 by 6, that is half. Then cos theta equals to half. Cos theta, cos 60 is half, pi by 3. Then theta is pi by 3. That is the angle between two planes is pi by 3. Now show that the line between vector equation, sum number 3. Question number 3, show that the line whose vector equation, show that the line vector equation is r equals to 2i minus 2j plus 3k plus lambda I minus j plus 4k. That is the equation of a line dish. So that the line dish parallel to the plane, line is parallel to the plane whose vector equation is r dot I plus 5j plus k equals to 5. We have to prove this line is parallel. This is the line and this is the plane. We have to prove this and this plane is parallel. Now if we can prove the angle between the straight line and plane is 0, then we can say these are this parallel. Here r equals to, this is A and this is B, and r dot n equals to, this is D. We know angle between straight line and plane is sine theta equals to B dot n over mod B mod n. Sine theta is B dot n over mod B mod n. Here this is B and this is n. Here B equals to I minus j plus 4k and n equals to I plus 5j plus k. So B dot n, I minus j plus 4k dot n is I plus 5j plus k by mod B means root over of 1 plus 1 plus 16 and mod n means 1 plus 25 plus 1. You know dot product 1 minus 5, this is k, plus 4 by root over of 18 root over of 27, that is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then sine theta equals to 0, then theta equals to 0. The angle between two lines is 0, then they are parallel. Therefore straight line is parallel to the plane. Now we have to find the distance between straight line and plane. We have to find the distance. Also find distance between them. So here the equation of the straight line r equals to a plus lambda b. Here r is a is the point. Here point on this line is 2 minus 2 3. This is the point, and here r dot, this is the n. Here is the equation of the straight line. A plane is this. Suppose r is x plus xi plus yj plus zk dot I plus 5j plus k. So here this is that is I plus x plus 5y plus z equals to 0. The equation of this straight line is x plus 5y plus z equals to 5. Here given r value is xi, yj, zk dot this equals to 5. So here you can convert this. We can convert the Cartesian vector form to Cartesian form. Equation of the plane is x plus 5y plus z equals to 5. So from this point, perpendicular distance is the distance between straight line and plane. So perpendicular distance equals to 2 plus 5 into minus 2 plus 3 minus 5 over root over of 1 plus 25 plus 1. We know distance formula from this point to this plane is this, that is 2 minus 10 plus 3 minus 5 by root over of 27, that is minus 3 to 5 I cancel, 10 by 3 root 3 unit. So distance equals to, therefore distance equals to 10 by 3 root 3 unit. That is the distance between straight line and plane. So we can find easily if we convert vector equation to Cartesian form. Here this is the point is 2 minus 2 3, and from this point on the straight line, and equation of vector equation convert to Cartesian form, this is r plus 5y plus z equals to this. Then from this point and from this point on this plane, the distance, perpendicular distance, we got the perpendicular distance of the. Now question number 4. Find the equation of the plane. Question number 4. Find the question number 4. Find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of plane of two plane 2x plus y minus z equals to 3 and 5x minus 3y plus 4z plus 9 equals to 0, and these two plane parallel to the line x minus 1 by 2 equals to y minus 3 by 4 equal to z minus 5 by 5. So here find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two plane. Suppose this is a plane and this is another plane. Intersection of two plane. In the two plane, joint equation of the two plane, the equation of the passing through the intersection of two plane is this: 2x plus y minus z minus 3 plus lambda 5x minus 3y plus 4z plus 9 equals 0. So actually we have to find the intersection of two plane, that is the equation of the plane, intersection of two plane, and this plane is parallel to the line. Suppose this is the required equation of the plane, this plane is parallel to the line. Find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two plane. This is the intersection of two plane. Suppose here this two plane, the intersection is this, and on this intersection there is another plane, and this plane is parallel to, this is another plane, this is first plane, this is second plane, this is third plane, is the intersection of two plane, and this plane is parallel to the line. So joint equation of the plane is this: equation of plane, intersection of two plane is this, and we can write x common, 5 lambda plus 2, y common, minus 3 lambda plus 1, z common, 4 lambda minus 1 plus 9 lambda minus 3 equals to 0. Now this is direction ratio ax by cz, xa by cz d. This is the direction ratio, and here the direction ratio of the line this, as this and this parallel, therefore direction ratio of the line perpendicular, this is the line, direction ratio of the line perpendicular to this, therefore by the condition as this line is parallel to this, therefore direction ratio of this is perpendicular to this, that is 2 bracket 5 lambda plus 2 plus 4 into 1 minus 3 lambda, this is 5. 5 into 4 lambda minus 1, A1 into B1 by C2, C1, C2 equals to 0. That is the condition of perpendicular, that is the direction ratio of the straight line and direction ratio of the plane. This is the direction ratio of the plane is perpendicular. This is equation number 1. Condition of perpendicularity, by the condition of perpendicularity we can write this. From this we get the value of lambda, put it here, that is the equation of the plane. That is 10 lambda plus 4 minus 12 lambda plus 20 lambda minus 5 equals to 0. 10 lambda, 30 lambda, that is 18 lambda minus plus 18 lambda plus 3 equal to 0. then lambda equals to minus 1 by 6. Put the value lambda here, we will get the equation of the plane. Therefore, required equation of the plane is 2x plus y minus z minus 3 minus 1 by 6 5x minus 3y plus 4z plus 9 equals to 0. Now you simplify this, you will get the equation of the line. After simplifying, we will get that is 7x plus 9y minus 10z equals to 27. That is the required equation of the plane. Now next sum number 5. Find the equation of the plane. Here sum number 5. Find the equation of the plane equation of plane passing through the intersection of planes 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 equals to 0 and 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 equals to 0 and 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 equals to 0. Find the plane passing the intersection of this. Here, two plane is the equation of the two plane given, and this plane and the point passing through intersection of this plane, and point is minus 2, 1, 3. Find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two planes. Suppose this is equation of one plane and this is the equation of another plane. The point of intersection two plane is this, and this plane passing through the point minus 2, 1, 3. We have to find the equation of third plane. So similarly, just like previous some joint equation of the plane, now we can write the equation of the required plane intersection of two plane. Equation of required plane is 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 plus lambda 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 equal to 0. The joint equation of the required equation of the plane is this, and this plane passing through the point this point will satisfy this equation, that is 2 into minus 1, x value minus 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 7 into 1 plus 4 into z value 3 minus 3 plus lambda 3 into minus 2 5 into 1 4 into 3 plus 11 equals to 0. That is minus 4 minus 7 plus 12 minus 3 plus lambda minus 6 minus 5 plus 12 plus 11 equal to 0. That is minus 2 plus 12 lambda equal to 0. So lambda value coming 1 by 6. Put the value of lambda here, we will get the equation. Therefore, equation of required plane equals to 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 plus 1 by 6 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 equals to 0. After simplify, we'll get equation 15x minus 47y plus 28z minus 7 equals to 0. That is the simplified form of this equation. Now we got the equation of the plane. When equal to plane is given is Cartesian form. Now if the equation of the plane, path intersection of two plane, this plane is given in vector form. Here equation of the two given in vector form. Now it is given Cartesian form. The two plane Cartesian x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4 equals to 0 and 2x plus y minus z plus 2x plus y minus z plus 5 equals to 0 and perpendicular to the plane 5x plus 3y minus 6z plus 8. Actually what is here, two plane and perpendicular to two plane. Just like this one we have to write this plus lambda this. Joint equation of the plane. Let the equation of the required plane equal is x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4 plus lambda 2x plus y minus z plus 5. This is the equation of the plane and this plane is perpendicular to this plane. Then condition of perpendicular we have to take. Here we are taking x 2 lambda plus 1 y lambda plus 2 plus z 3 minus lambda plus 5 lambda minus 4. This is the equation of joint equation of the plane, which is this is perpendicular to the given plane 5x plus 3y minus 6z plus 8. This plane and this plane is perpendicular, that is A, this is the direction ratio of this and these are the direction ratio. These are condition of perpendicularity. Therefore, by the condition of perpendicularity, we can write 5 into 2 lambda plus 1 plus 3 into lambda plus 2 minus 6 into 3 minus lambda equal to 0. Then 10 lambda plus 5 plus 3 lambda plus 6 minus 18 plus 6 lambda equals 0. 19 lambda equals to 6. 7. Then lambda equals to 7 by 19. Now putting the value of lambda here, we can get the equation of the line. Now required equation of the plane. Required equation of plane equals to x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4 plus 7 by 16 2x plus y minus z plus 5 0. After simplify, we will get 33x plus 45y plus 50z minus 41 equal. That is the required equation of the plane. Now, if the equation of the plane is given Cartesian form, if the equation of the plane is given in vector form, find the equation of the plane through the intersection of two plane in vector form. R dot I plus 3j minus k equals to 5 and r dot 2i minus j plus k equals to 3. Passing through the point, passing through point 2, 1, minus 2. So this is different method. Vector equation is here. Now similar, just like Cartesian form, joint equation of the plane, we can write I plus 3j minus k I j, I plus 3j minus k, 2i minus j plus k. The joint equation of the required plane, equation of required plane, r dot I plus 3j minus k minus 5 plus lambda r dot 2i minus j plus k minus 3 equals to 0. R dot this, that is this plus lambda, this joint equal to the line. Then you can write r dot I 2 lambda plus 1. Comparing with I and j 3 minus lambda plus k 1, I minus 3j, there is lambda minus 1. 2 lambda plus 1, 3 minus, that is the equation. Then minus 5 minus 3 lambda. Minus 5 minus 3 lambda equals to 0. That is the simplified form. Now this line passing through the point this. So what is the direction vector of this r? Direction vector of the r is 2i plus j minus 2, 1, 2, 1 minus 2 minus 2k. So r is here, that is 2i plus j minus 2k. Vector r is, these are passing through this point, this, therefore this is simplified. You can write this r, value of r is this, that is 2 lambda plus 1 I plus 3 minus lambda j plus lambda minus 1 k minus 5 minus 3 lambda equals 0. Now taking dot product, r dot this, so dot product this dot this dot, then 2 bracket 2 lambda plus 1 plus 1 3 minus lambda minus 2 lambda minus 1 minus 5 minus 3 lambda equal to 0. Then 4 lambda plus 2 plus 3 minus lambda minus 2 lambda plus 2 minus 5 minus 3 lambda equal to 0. So 4 lambda, that is minus lambda, 4 lambda, 3, 5, 6 lambda, minus 2 lambda, 6 lambda, minus 2 lambda, 5, 10 plus 2 equals to 0. Then lambda value is 1. Put the lambda is equation number 1. We will get the equation vector equal to the line. Therefore, a straight line. Therefore, equation of required plane r dot I plus 3j minus k minus 5 plus 1 r dot 2i minus j plus k minus 3 equals 0. That is the equation of the line. Now you can put the value of lambda here. Lambda value 1, that is the equation of the line. We can simplify here, that is r dot, we can put here r dot 3i plus 2j minus 8 equals to 0. That is this is the, you can write this also directly, you can put it here. That is the required equation of the plane. Therefore, equation of plane in putting here r dot lambda value 1 3i 2 3 minus 1 2j, this is 0 minus lambda value 1, that is 8. That is the equation of the plane. Sum number 6. Question number 7. Find the image of the point P1 3 4 in the plane, on the plane 2x minus y plus z plus 10 equals 0. Here equation of the plane is vector form, and this is the point 1 3 4, and you have to find this is the image of the point. Suppose this is P, this is Q, this is R. So we have to find the image of the equation of the line, on this plane, passing through this plane. So perpendicular distance, that is the direction ratio is this and this. So here direction ratio 2 minus 1 1. The equation of line, any point, equation of a line is x minus x1 by 2, y minus 3 by minus 1, 2 3 4 equals to z minus 4 by 1. That is the equation of the line. Let this is r. Any point on this line is x equals to 2r plus 1, y equals to 3 minus r, and z equals to r plus 4. That is the point on this line. As this line passed through the plane, this point will satisfy this equation. Therefore 2 bracket 2r plus 1 plus minus 3 minus r plus 4 plus 3 equals to 0. That is 4r plus 2 minus 3 plus r plus 4 plus 3 equals to 0. 4r, 5 or 6r plus 3 to 5 for 9, 6 equals 0. Then r value is minus 1. Then r value we got minus 1. Therefore coordinate of the point Q, the coordinate of the point Q equals to x minus 2 plus 1, that is 1, x equals to, and y equals to minus 4, z equals to 3. The point is 1 minus 4 3. Point is 1 minus 4 3. So this is the point is 1 minus 4 3. You have to find the image. Suppose this is x1, y1, z1. That is the midpoint at this length equals to this as this is the image. Therefore x1 plus 1 by 2 equals to 1. That is x1 equals to 1. About y1 plus 3 by 2 equals to 3. Then y1 equals to 6 minus 3, that is 3. And z1 plus 4 by 2 equals y1 is y1 plus 3 by 2 equals to minus 4. Then y1 is minus 11. y1 is minus y1 plus 3 by 2 equals to minus 4. Point is minus 4. Minus 1, 4. It is minus 1. Sorry, it is minus 1. It is minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1. And it is 4. And this is 3. Minus 1, 4, 3. Minus 1, 4, 3. Minus 1, 4, 3. So this equals to minus 1. Takes us minus to minus 3. This is 4. 8 minus 5. This is y1 is 5. And z1 plus 4 by 2 equals to 3. Z1 is 2. So coordinate of the point Q is minus 3, 5, 2. So that's all. Here, as the straight line and the plane got perpendicular, then this any point on the straight line we got, and this point will satisfy the equation of the plane, then we will get the value of r. Put the value of r here. This is the point Q, and you know this point, you know that is the this is the, as this is image of the point, therefore this is the midpoint. Then we can take coordinate of the point r, x1 and z1, that is minus 3, 5, 2. That is the image of the point P. Image of the point P is minus 3, 5. This minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. 5 plus 3, 8 by 2 is 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1. Here is also, I think, wrong. y1, 2 plus 1, 3. y1 plus z1. There is z1 plus 4. It is 2 plus 4, 6. And this is correct. Okay. So that's all. Please look to these sums and have a note of these sums. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay. Thank you.